In this video, I will show you how to swap USDT to Ton on Tonkeeper. So to do this, just go and open up Tonkeeper, and then you will need to own some USDT to actually do this. So you can see I have about $9 right here. To do this, just go and open up USDT, and then here click on Swap. From here, make sure it's set to Send USDT and Receive Ton. So if it says something else, just click on what it says now and select Ton. And then after doing that, you can pick how much you want to do. So I'll just click max, and then it will be the 9.111 USDT, and you will see how much you're going to receive in Ton. Now click continue, and then you will see the overview right here. Now one thing that you need to bear in mind is when you're swapping on Tonkeeper, you need to have Ton to pay for the gas fees. So you can see right now I don't have enough Ton in my account. The required for this action is 0.3 Ton, and I only have 0.17. So then what you need to do is first deposit a little bit more Ton into your account so that you can actually cover the gas fees. After you do that, go back here and click swap, then just choose how much you want to do, click continue, and then after doing that, you can click confirm at the bottom, and then it will be swapped. So now you know how to swap USDT to Ton on Tonkeeper. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.